John-tember, September the 4th, 2023. Don't got much on the agenda today. Last night was so much fun. Seeing JR for the first time this trip. Meeting his beautiful wife for the first time ever. So much fun. Hanging out with Vegas Legacy, Lee 777. We had a blast. Mitch was there. So many cool people at Luxor. Don't have much of a plan today. Gonna go get some supplies. Figure out what I'm doing. Might have a pool day. Definitely going for a coffee run. Down to Aria. Bright and early. Day 2. Been up for a while, and it's only 8:15 right now. Got my coffee. Let's go for coffee run. Day 2, coffee run. $40 in. Autumn moon. Major is at 842. Progressives are now there. 842 didn't change. $50 mini. Let's see what we can get. Decent start. This is the first coffee run of 5. Let's hit something. Come on, Ottoman. Blockers. Decent start. I'd take that minor at 250. No love on Autumn Moon. Last couple spins here. Coffee run, day 2.
What's up?
Last spin. Cashing out 80 cents or choosing a dragon. No love on Autumn Moon.
Premier rooms are really nice. Definitely check it out. You get a chance.
I stayed there last trip, February.
You got the same room? Dewder?
Sorry?
You got the same room?
Yeah, no, I got a better one.
You had a nice room last time.
I know. Vidar treats me good, man.
I mean, yeah.
This time
he's never stayed there, but I mean, you, me, and Kino, we all know that Vidar is.
Oh well.
Vidar is the boss.
PJ spent a lot of time in my room up there, but he's never stayed there. Yes.
I mean,
look at this guy.
Usually an hour at a time. And you pay
Reggie, you're the man. Look at that. For you, Candace. Thank you.
Oh God. Hell, they might be back in LA by then.
They are. They're home.
Okay.
This is turning into a Keno frickin' weekend here. This is the second time I'm playing Keno. We're on day 2.
These youngsters over there trying to.
I'm playing with these guys.
Regardless of what happened.
Cheers.
Cheers. I feel like I could have made it today. Could have gotten the 13 beers. But, you know.
We're on 8 now.
I don't know. Well, and I did a little sippy glass of vodka on the way out of my room. So.
All right, day Day 2's turning out to be a beauty. It's a pool day. Got to gamble with two of the coolest people in town, PJ and JR. Love those two. So much fun. Frenchie made me a pistachio martini. Great times. Ace should be in the air right now, landing shortly. I'm gonna hang out at the pool until he arrives. Love Vegas, baby. Day 2. I snuck up on him. I wouldn't call it an exact keno, because I wasn't trying to keno him. He knows I'm here. What's he drinking? Ace is in the house with a banquet. Woo! Day 2, kicking it off well. So they got the fall display out at Aria. Nothing hanging from the ceilings, no bubbles, but the fall display. I want that greenhouse. I could totally use that greenhouse. That is beautiful. Not quite how I'd set it up. Water, Wilds, and Weeds wants that greenhouse. Beautiful. Day 2, room tour. What? Didn't I already do a room tour? Not my room. Look at this guy.
Hey, this is Shark States in Vegas here. Hope you're doing well, and welcome to Vegas Vlogger Cribs. What are we doing here?
Yeah, sure. Vegas Vlogger Cribs. I love it.
Cribs,
Let's start that.
Let's start that. Okay.
That's gonna be something.
Right. That's basically all these room tours are.
How'd you get this? Look at how beautiful.
He knows how I did it.
2 bedroom, 1 bedroom.
Nice little 1 bedroom. Got the king bed over here.
Wow. Dude, you done
All
well.
right, I got this on the My Vegas comp, so I did the My Vegas comp first, of course, and then did the $20 sandwich. Got
Oh, very nice.
Got to bat your eyes a little bit,
Look.
Had to drop the third button on the shirt, but it did the
Oh,
job.
it's the button. It's the button. Pretty sweet. Look at this, guys.
I've already washed my hands and all that, so you get the toiletries over here.
Oh.
Get the jets in the tub.
What? A jetted tub?
Yeah, get the button over here.
Get out of here.
I just ruined the audio peaks on your video. I'm so sorry.
Dude, well done. Like I say, this is B-roll.
Get the telly over there.
Whoa, you do have a television. Oh, dude.
Yeah, it swivels. It's on the mount and all that, so you can just turn that around.
So
It's
cool.
got Ethernet, so it's an internet TV.
100% comped.
Yeah.
Look at
minus
this.
the resort fees,
Yeah,
of course.
Can't get away from them.
I was gonna say, hey, for $90, I think I did pretty damn good.
Hit gold. Yeah, hit gold and then they're gone.
Right? Yeah, I'm working.
Beautiful, man. Wow.
More Vegas next year for sure.
All right, and that's the tour of Ace's room.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hold on.
All right.
Hold on. It's recording.
It's recording. All right. Great.
Hold on.
All right. I'm waiting.
Hello.
Standing by.
We gotta do one for Kinos.
Oh no.
Just a small one.
Oh no.
Just a small one.
All right. All right.
Seriously, they're the same and they're small. Because
Okay.
I know the shit too.
Yeah.
Okay. Look what you did.
Shout out to Keno Kid. Shout out to Keno Candy. Love you guys. I'm mad at you though.
Seeking Vegas Sunrise.
There is a Vegas I know. And they're fucking Thrills Gum. Gord Jamera, I love you both, but fucking Thrills Gum. I love that. Actually, I don't hate Thrills Gum. I actually enjoy it.
Is this worse?
Yes.
Okay, let's find out.
All right. Salute.
Salute.
Amazing.
Oh.
What is it? even supposed to be? Is it like a minty licorice or something like that? What is it supposed to be?
First shot on the Lord this trip. It will not be my last.
Will last. We don't need to.
Yeah, baby.
All right, let's go catch up.
Hey, let's go. We gotta go find some people.
We gotta get these degenerates. Hold up.
We out of here.
I tell them they need drinks. Maybe you have some drinks ready.
Let's go find the boys.
Let's go.
We're going to find the boys.
They better have some fucking drinks ready.
They better have some. They better have some.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go find the boys. Just above Excalibur. Kind of in the Excalibur food court area. All your Vegas necessities. Right here. At Magnet. Dude, what'd you get? Oh, you're cool.
Oh yeah, and I got the lighter with it too.
No way.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
$5.
Let's go find the boys.
Find the boys.
Find the boys. Day 2 is going well. We are at New York, New York. Documentation.
Okay, we're gonna need you to read this out loud, sir.
Not money.
Not
We're
that.
not reading
We don't
money.
need that. We don't need that. We need this read out loud.
Money will come in handy
Mr.
later.
Tips and Tricks. Mr. Tips and Tricks,
There
if that
we
is
go.
your real
See?
name.
Envelope, please.
All
Do we
right.
have the winner? Do we have the winner?
At Hershey Bar. Look at this man. Coming through. Coming through.
Do it.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Gotta sort this out first.
We got an audience. Would you like to be on YouTube?
Thank you.